Okay, let's take a look. We're gonna try to solve this integral, and we're gonna use part A as our hint. Okay, maybe I should say the original hint, I didn't really get that. I think using partial fractions is gonna be easier, so I'm gonna go through it with that. And let's take a look. Okay, so if we have a fraction like this, I'm going to try to split it into two pieces. So we can split the denominator like so, and we figure out the a and b that will make a numerator of 1. Okay, so that's cross multiplying there. Okay, so that should equal 1. And now you see that the u should cancel, so that means that the a and the b should be opposite. So a is equal to negative b. The u's cancel. We're left with only a, so a must be 1. If a is 1, then b is negative 1. Okay, so we can rewrite that original fraction now in two pieces. So looks like that. Now we have two pieces. Each one on its own is easy to integrate. So it's split into two pieces on the right side, and you should know that one, I think. Natural log. All right, so if we can get our integral in that form, 1 over u times u plus 1, we can use this. So we'll store that over here and work on our integral now. We're going to need some substitutions. Okay. So I'm going to substitute u for e to the x. We're going to need e to the x plus 1 because that's the denominator. So we'll have an expression for that, u plus 1. And we're going to differentiate each side because we need dx. So isolating dx, we have that. We can put in u now for e to the x. And now we have our substitutions. So we have this one for the denominator and this one for dx. All right. So here's our integral, and we substitute now u plus 1 in the denominator, and then dx is like this. All right, now it's looking good, right? Looking nice. Okay, this is what we started with. We know that we can split that now into two fractions. That's from the part A. Okay. And the answer for that is in the left corner. So it's natural log of u minus natural log of u plus 1. Now we just put in e to the x for u. And we can take the absolute value signs away because e to the x can't be negative. So that's it. We can simplify a little bit at the end. Natural log of e to the x is just what? Just x. Okay, so there you go. Partial fraction with u substitution. Okay, I hope that was helpful.